today of the on keyboard. Now, as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, that my headset broke recently. So, what I decided to do was get a keyboard until I can afford an actual headset. So, it's a soft touch keyboard, easy to use USB connection, comfortable, low profile design. Yeah, that's low profile. Look at the size of this box, It says PC and Mac compatible, USB, and spill proof. Now, I noticed that it doesn't really mention anywhere the fact that it's usable for PS3. Because I actually have already opened it and used it for my PS3. I just kind of reboxed it to do this unboxing and review. But, yeah. There's a picture of it. Contoured keys, optimal size for comfortable typing. Plug-and-play simplicity. No software to install. Okay. And that annoys me how they spell on right there. It just really annoys me. Alright, so let's open this. So how you open this, that right there, there was no tape on this when I got it. I mean, it would have been so easy to steal. But, so open that up. You got the keyboard. Just lift it up. The cord is already attached. So there's nothing to really worry about. This just slides that way. Just a big slot opening. This has a twist tie around it. That's how it was. I don't remember if this is exactly how the cord was wrapped, but I know this is how I redid it, and it was something to this effect when I got it. So yeah, and then I just whoop. There we go. And then got this. I'm twisting it the wrong way, it would seem. I can't do this whenever I'm using one hand for some reason. It's so annoying to me. Crap. So here you can see the length of the cord is rather long. And so overall, it is a very nice keyboard. It's got a shiny black trim all the way around, and it goes down a little bit and says on right there. You've got the lights that say num lock, caps lock, and scroll lock. You've got your number keys, standard. Pretty much everything with this keyboard is standard. Anything else you might have seen at school or at work or anything that went cheap on their keyboard. The only downside about this that I don't like, that is the backspace key. That little thing with the arrow right there. That. So I'm used to the backspace key taking up both of these spots. So whenever I try and type backspace, I always end up doing that instead of that. So it's really annoying. But the enter key is very big. I like it like that. Space bar, all that stuff. It works very well with the PS3. So on to the back is my final part. You have these little clips so that you can hold it up, so it will hold it up at an angle. I keep them down because I really just lay it on my lap usually. And that's pretty much it. My keyboard. Thanks for watching, guys.